How to set different ringtone for different SIM in Redmi device. So if you want to set different ringtone for different SIM in Redmi device, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with your SIM card and mobile network, and here you will have your SIM 1 and SIM 2, right? So you just need to simply select the SIM and it will take it to the SIM card settings. Here you may not have the ringtone option. So you need to go back and go with your settings, and under settings you need to search for ringtone, tap on it, and now you need to tap on ringtone, which is on the top right. And now you will have two options in the middle of your screen, which is choose local ringtone and pre-installed ringtones. So you need to go with your local ringtone. You can select a tone from your music or any file. You can also choose a dynamic ringtone here, and you'll be able to successfully set a different ringtone for your SIM card. So these are the steps, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.